Hey there, this is Dr. John from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. And I just wanted to chat with you a little bit because this year we've been focusing more and more on wellness because we've really established a reputation of being one of the leaders in hormone rebalancing in Central Florida. But after hormone rebalancing, we want to focus on wellness. And wellness takes into consideration several things which we know we can control that actually have a long-term influence on wellness, health, and vitality. And these four areas are sugar metabolism, cholesterol metabolism, micronutrient, and chronic inflammation. Those four areas are very important to understand them, to measure them, and then to try to affect some treatments and interventions that may make a difference. So if we take each one of them individually, we have specific testing, which we call advanced testing that we do here in the office, that can be very beneficial to make some progress on these things so that we can understand your underlying physiology and make the appropriate changes and recommendations that may improve your life and your health as you age. The first one of these is advanced metabolic testing. In advanced metabolic testing, we're going to look at your sugar and cholesterol metabolism. Beyond advanced metabolic testing, what we're going to look at is micronutrient testing. Micronutrients are essential. They're the parts that enter the assembly line that leads to long-term health and wellness by optimizing your physiology. Beyond that, we want to look at chronic inflammation. And one of the most common things that we see of chronic inflammation is Hashimoto's, or in other words, autoimmune thyroiditis. In order to look at chronic inflammation, we want to look at your food sensitivities and see what kind of foods may be triggering your immune system. And then we want to look at gut health because it's that gut health that really identifies where that chronic inflammation may lie. And when we look at those, you may be able to understand what is going on and recommend some changes or some improvements that may alter your health and wellness. So as we go forward and we focus more and more on wellness and long-term health, these are the tests that I want to look at and I want to recommend to a lot of you so that we can go forward and give you that health and vitality that you all are looking for as we age. Dr. John from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness.